In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Beep Instagram filter. Okay, so all you need to do is go to your story section, and you can do that by either tapping on your profile picture there at the top right or swiping to the right on the home screen. That is going to take you to your stories, and then you can see all the different filters at the bottom. All you need to do is scroll all the way to the right, and then you'll be on the Browse Effects tab. Go ahead and tap on Browse Effects. And then all you need to do is tap on the little magnifying glass at the top right. And then in the search bar, you want to type Beep. And then you'll see the Beep filter by Peter RU. If you go ahead and tap on that, you can now add it to your camera by tapping on that little download button there at the bottom, or you can try it now. And all you would need to do is hold down and record, and you'll be able to use the Beep filter. So that is how you get the Beep filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.